Hi, today I'm going to show you how I make this minimalist nail art using all cruelty-free products. I'm going to start by using this Orly cuticle remover. I'm not a professional nail artist, but I do love to make my own nails. So what I usually do is I dip them in a little bit of water and push them back. You don't have to put them in water. The cuticle remover does a really good job, but this is just how I like to do it. Now I'm going to clean off all the excess product and cuticles off my nails, and I'm going to grab a cuticle nipper, and I'm going to be very gentle with this step. You don't want to hurt your fingers doing this. Just get any excess skin. You really don't want to be harsh with this. You're going to get a really clean manicure with just a cuticle remover. In this particular finger, my nail broke and I want it to be the same length as the other one. So I'm going to grab this builder in a bottle by Orly as well. And I'm going to build a nail. This is what they call a sculpting gel, and you just give it your own shape and length. I can make a full video about this. Now we're going to move on to gel polish. I'm using a base coat by Madame Glam. They're vegan and cruelty-free and also 9-free. And I'm just going to put a thin coat all over the nail bed. Since the nail extension is actually very transparent, I'm going to use Gel Care's coconut milk. This is also a cruelty-free nail polish. And I'm just going to simulate that natural nail growth, that white line, and only because we're using a base color that's very sheer. This one right here, which is Nude BB Cream from Gel Care. And I'm doing this only on my extension nail, not really on the rest of the nails. I'm going to do 2 thin coats, but you can also use Rose Colored Glasses by Orly or Pink Nude by Orly if they're more accessible to you. They're both really great for this kind of look, or really any other color you would prefer. You could really get creative. You can use a white, a nude, or even a pink. It's really up to you. I'm going to cure my first coat so I can go ahead and do the second coat. Just remember to keep your coats thin so the nail doesn't start looking really bulky. But now we're going to move on to the actual art part, and we're going to need a tool like this. You can find this at CVS or any nail store around your home. But you can also use a bobby pin. You don't need fancy tools. So here's the deal. You're going to make 3 dots on your nail, 2 right next to each other and 1 on the bottom, and you're going to try to connect them. It's basically like a triangle, but without connecting the top 2. And honestly, practice makes perfect. I am not an expert, so I don't do this kind of nail art that often, but I found it really cute and really fun way to spend your Valentines. You can start perfecting with the clean side of your tool while removing the excess on a napkin. And that's really it. That's how you make a cute little heart. I'm going to do this in all my fingernails, but you could just leave it on one if you feel like doing this might be too much for you. For me, I actually realized that this one particular heart was actually quite bigger than the other ones because I used way more polish. I just grabbed a little bit too much polish with the tool, but I'm embracing it. Imperfections are cool, so if you want a perfect heart, you could just buy stickers, nail stickers, or just keep practicing. Practice really makes perfect, and it's a lot of fun, and I actually find it therapeutic. But I actually know what it feels to mess up, so if you feel like you really just want to start over your heart, the good thing about gel nail polish is that it's already cured. You already cured the bottom layer, so you can grab a napkin and just wipe it off and just start over again. And obviously once it's cured, it's not really going to go anywhere, so you're going to cure your hearts at the end, and we're going to do a top coat. This one is also from Madame Glam, and you can also do a thin layer here. No need to use a lot of nail polish. And like I said before, you have to cure every layer, so you're gonna lastly cure your top coat, and you're gonna rub a little bit of alcohol to remove that sticky layer that gel polishes have. And lastly, you're gonna use some cuticle oil. I'm using one from Orly, and I really like it. It smells really good. But you can use any oil or even a cream. You just want to hydrate that area after giving yourself a manicure. Rub it all in, and if you use a little bit too much, kind of like I did, just top off the excess with a paper napkin. And this is the final look. Isn't it so adorable? Thanks for watching.